Publisher, authors S.P. Vyas, late M.M. Mandari, Professor. Published by Jain Brothers. Their email address, everything is there here. Price $160. It's a bit expensive, but not many books are there on this topic. Then contents index to the figures, index to the plates, that is the photos. On that introduction, naming of the plants, systems of plant classification. Nice book, covers properly alphabetical list of flowering plants, economic importance of plants, medicinal value, local names, etc. Quite a bit of photos also are there. Though these old books, the photos are a bit, I mean, those days they didn't have this kind of technology and all. But someone who's interested can do a new version with good photos, since everyone has cell phone and smartphone and all now. Index to the plates, index to figures and all that. Then inside, very detailed book. It's good for students of this subject, as well as ordinary people like us can also use it. And this desert region, what is there in India today, extends quite far. At one time, up to Balochistan was India. So some of the plants that are there in Rajasthan and all, they're there in up to Balochistan, even Arabia and all, Yemen, all these countries. So figures, all these are a bit too old-fashioned, but if someone is interested, they can go and take photos and publish all that, since nobody knows on these topics. So huge number of species are there, even piper. So then that is the author, Dr. S.P. Vyas, 1947 born. 110 research papers. He must have been a genius. Presently involved in developing science education, Jodhpur city. So, this is a good book, reference book. Flora of Indian desert, their economic and medicinal values. People who are in that Gujarat, Rajasthan area, they should invest in this book if they are serious about the topic.